What is the correct method to display a large pop-up menu? A picture paints 1,000 words. In my Python 2.7 application I have a button which when clicked pops up a menu. In some circumstances this list is larger than the screen size. In Ubuntu 12.04, uses GTK 3.4.2, this is okay because you get scroll arrows, as shown on the right of the picture. In Ubuntu 12.10/13.04 and Fedora 17, uses GTK 3.6, I get the same menu but with no scroll arrows, and you cannot scroll up or down using the mouse. The strange part is that if I click the button again, the scroll arrows reappear. So it looks like some sort of size allocation issue. It's not been calculated on first pop-up but is on subsequent pop-ups. Hence my question. Something obviously has changed with newer GTK libraries. What is now the correct method to display a large pop-up menu to ensure the scroll arrows are displayed? Any hints how I should tackle this apparent difference between different GTK versions so that I can get a consistent show arrows on first click? Below is a simple Python test program that demonstrates this issue. I couldn't use Parasite to diagnose this because the pop-up disappears as soon as you click the Inspect button on Parasite itself.
I browsed around a little in the documentation, and instead of using popup.append, new_menu_item, you could use popup.attach, new_menu_item, left, right, top, bottom, to put your menu items in a grid instead of one long line. But it seems like you would be better off opening a window with a scrollable list, though.
Using combo box text. But as Tomato said, this kind of presentation isn't adapted to lists of a huge amount of values. Either reduce the number of values to show, or use it to tree view, which will have a scroll bar and won't need an initial click to show values.
If you want something very, please consider subscribing.